This is the NiceFoto HC-1000SB. Cool little LED light. Comes with the red gel, green gel, white diffuser, and a yellow. I have a blue one, but it's downstairs because I was using it for something else. And you can't forget, it comes with a CCT gel. Or cover, not gel. But let's check this light out. It powers up with the power brick and it's kind of like an XLR cable. Let's take a look at it. Power switch here. We'll cut that on. Boom. And you can kind of see it. Oh, can we get it there? Yeah, we can see it. And the power increments are in 10%. When you hold this button in for 3 seconds, it goes to a effect mode. And that's effect number 1 there. Then click it, effect 2. Oh no, we're still stuck on 1. There's 2. Effect 3. Effect 4. And effect 5. Which is like lightning, I think. You hold it, and it goes back to the regular. And you turn on, increment to 10% again. And this light gets bright. It gets super bright. So, as you can see, let's go up towards the ceiling there. And if I wanted a white room, I would just do something like this. Looks good. And this is from NiceFoto. The pros, this light is sweet. I got some footage I'll show to you later in this video. But as you can hear, the fan, not god awful loud, but you can hear it and you can tell, it has a fan. But yep, this light is only like $149. It's a solid light. The other con, it doesn't have a remote, but it does have a channel and group. But it's here. Most important part, it is Bowens mount. So you can see the Bowens mount there. Let's check out the light in action.